From blowing to vacuuming at the flick of a switch, it doesn't get any easier than with Makita's brand new XGT 40V Max lightweight blower vac. This brushless motor delivers up to 313 kilometers per hour of wind speed while blowing, and then you switch it over to vacuuming. It'll consume up to 6.8 cubic meters of air every minute. That impeller doing all the work has 3 mulching prongs or blades in the center of it. That'll crush up all your leaves, your light sticks. They'll fall into that 25-litre bag which is on board, and then you can easily empty them back onto the garden as mulch or into your green waste bin. Controls-wise, you've just got a 2-speed mode button under your thumb, a variable speed trigger for controlling the throttle, and you've got a cruise control there so you can lock it on, set it and forget, rest that trigger finger. And of course that lever for changing it from blowing to sucking, you just flick the switch. There's no removing parts, changing the plumbing, attaching anything. It's just ready to go from blowing to sucking. And if you do happen to get anything tangled or blocked in that impeller, it's got a nice easy to access port on the side so you can pull that out really easily. It's got the wheels on the end so you can rest that nozzle close to the ground, and it comes with a wide angle attachment which is great when vacuuming. It can be powered by any XGT battery. If you use a 4Ah high output battery on top speed, you can expect up to 10 minutes of continuous vacuuming or 12 minutes continuous blowing. Compact, lightweight, this new blower vac is available now in the Makita roll at your local Sydney Tools store. You can also head over to our website for the full specs to order online, and if you have any questions, as always, hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim, and thanks so much for watching Sydney Tools TV.